So the original bolts that were installed on these wheels, some of them are the proper cone ball seat, and some of them are the improper cone type seat. And you can see the wear marks here and here. So this is the proper bolt, this is the improper bolt. So I ordered a new set here with the proper ball seat. Now my problem is that when these improper cone shaped or cone seat type bolts were installed, now because of this tapered edge here, this won't sit all the way flush, and that's due to the little lip that's developed on the inside. So take a drill as large as you can get, and then just kind of work around the outside a little bit. So here you can see these are the proper ball seat type of bolts, and this is the cone seat type. Notice the wear marks only is at the very tip instead of extending all the way through, whereas on the ball seat it does extend most of the way through. I'll be replacing these since they're very corroded and rusted anyways.